Hey, welcome back. So it's been a week since we talked about the Shorts automation tool, and I know you have been waiting to see the results. Honestly, me too. I have got all the numbers here, and I'm also going to walk you through everything and show you exactly how to use the tool yourself to grow your channel. Let's jump right into the results. Since my last video, I have uploaded 4 more shorts, and here's what happened. Almost all of them hit the 500 view mark, and each one brought in 2 to 5 subscribers. Now, as many of you might know, YouTube often passes a views count around that 500 mark for the new channels. We'll need to wait about 28 days to see the true long-term performance. But even with that, the numbers are promising. In just the past week, we have got over 3000 views, 15 watch hours, and gained 16 new subscribers. That's a really positive start, especially for a new channel using automated content. Alright, let's see how to use this tool. First, you will need to download the tool. You can find it on my GitHub page. I have included the link in the description below. And once you are on the GitHub page, click the green code button and select download zip to download the tool as a zip file and extract the file on your computer. Before we begin, you will need to make sure you have Python installed on your computer. If you don't, download and install it from the official Python website. Also, ensure your pip Python's package installer working. Once Python and pip are set up, go to the directory where you have extracted the tool, open your command prompt or terminal in that directory and run this command. This will install all the necessary Python libraries for the tool. After all the dependencies are installed, you can run the tool by executing this command. Now, let's continue with how to use the tool itself. First, you will need to gather the images you want to use in your short. I make animated shorts, so you take it from the manga websites. Then, find an audio track that matches the energy of your images. I usually get them from this website. In the tool, you will need to select your image folder, your audio file, and your desired output file name. Next, you will see the threshold option. This controls how sensitive the beat detection is. A higher threshold finds only the strongest beats, while a lower threshold finds more. To make this easier, I have added an auto threshold feature. This automatically calculates the optimal threshold based on the number of images you are using. This makes the process much more quick and precise. Once you have set up everything up, simply click Start. So that's how you automate your own shots. I am really excited to see what you guys create. If you have any ideas for new features like text overlays or specific visual effects, please let me know in the comments.